Heads-up display, pilot assist, adaptive cruise control, Google navigation system and software, LiDAR system, ultrasonic, front and rear sensor, cross traffic alert. See what else we have. It has driving mode of hybrid, everyday use, Polestar, sport mode, pure mode, electric, off-road, and constant all-wheel drive. You can charge the battery while driving by hitting charge. Lane keeping aid, roadside information, road sign information, ready to drive notification. You can also change the feeling of the air suspension or the steering wheel from sport or from comfort to firm. You can also turn off the air suspension if you don't want to use it. You have also air suspension control for easy entry and access. So anytime you enter the car, it lowers itself for you. And when you get in, you're about to leave, it lifts up itself about 5 inches. You can cancel that if you don't want to deal with it. Also, you have 360 camera. You have cameras in the mirrors. Underneath each mirror, you have a camera in the grill and a camera in the back. Look at that front camera. Nice sound system. Beautiful interior. Suede black top. Brown, dark maroon brown interior. You can always open it a little bit more if you wanted to. There's a setting also to whenever you turn off the car and exit, you can have the curtain close automatically. This car, when it's fully charged, fully gassed, gets you over 550 miles in range. There's multiple ways to drive this. In normal drive mode, Polestar engineered, you can always put it in the second gear down. This way you're driving in the bi mode, and you can always shift up for manual or shift down the gears. So you go right to shift up or left to shift down. Really nice car to review today. We also have the Google Map service in it. So hey Google, turn on my heated steering wheel.
All right, turning on the steering wheel heater.
Hey Google, turn on heated seats.
Okay, turning on the seat heater for the driver.
Also, right here you can see we do have massage. So you can start the massage. Choose the wave you want, combined intensity, and the speed of the massage. Both front seats should have that. You can always adjust the lumbar, side posters, and the little extension cushion right here between your legs for longer trips. Whenever you have the car in park, if you press on auto hold, it'll just park the car and maintain the position. You can always adjust the steering wheel up or down, in or out, and you can lock it manually. This is how you open the trunk, how you fill it up in gas. If the car is locked, you cannot open the tank. Google Maps. You also have apps in here. You have YouTube. You can only watch it when you're fully parked. You cannot use it while driving. So the moment I put it in drive and go, it's unable to play for your safety. The moment you commit to a full stop, we'll do that. Beautiful car. I can't say enough about it. But if you guys ever want to watch my YouTube videos, I have my own channel, Maher Al-Samama. Okay, that was Maher with Volvo Cars Tacoma. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you and have a wonderful day.